I have another problem. They have a waste management tractor trailer that fell into the fucking burner, and I'm putting a generator in Philadelphia. No, just tighten up the cable all the way. We should be able to swing it, boom down. Boom down and slide forward some.
Down and slide
I want to swing over that way and see what we got. Huh?
this side facing this.
So we got to lower it down now. We're going to lower it down like this and then turn it down there. Yeah. All right. Go ahead, Trevor. Swing it over. Go ahead. Tighten up the cable, yellow cable a little bit more. A little more. A little more. All right, hold it there. Can you boom down some? Hold it there. Go ahead, swing in. Slow. Go ahead. You want to slide back this way a little bit? And then come on. Come on. Come on. All right, hold it there. Hold it. You smell that? Someone farted. I told you there's those other gloves in there. You want to boom up some? Hello? Hey, what's up, Norris? I'm putting a generator in a basement in Philadelphia. What's up? Today? Right now? Alright. I'll come again. Yeah, me. Yeah, I'm almost done. Alright. Alright. Yeah, send me some pictures. Okay. Okay. All right, thanks, North. Bye. Well, I have another problem. They have a waste management tractor trailer that fell into the fucking burner, and I'm putting a generator in Philadelphia. All right, bye. Swing that way a little bit. Oh, whoa, geez, oh, what the heck? All right, go ahead, lower it down, Trevor. All right, bye. $8,000 it weighs, 8,000.
8,500.
Oh, 8,500. Yeah. Which way? The radiator goes that way, right? Yeah. Go ahead, go down some more, Trevor. Down, 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 down. Hold it. Go ahead, you can turn. Yep. Hold. Boom in a little bit. Oh. Slide that way. You want to go that way? He wants to slide that way, so slide the. Oh, hold it there. All right, now this way. All right. Are we centered? We're centered this way? No. Or is it centered like where we got to go this way? So we just got to come in now? Okay. Boom in. Oh, yeah, we're going this way. We're going to go. Good. Keep going. 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 Keep. Hold it. Boom down now. All right, hold it there. Going in. You want to push? Oh. So you want to unhook the front straps, and then maybe we could just help the back go in slowly. Where's the steps at? I go around and come down. Give me the impact on so I can put this fucking. Oh, where's the steps at? There. I'm gonna come with you. Trevor, you stay up here. Shut that toolbox. Put that rim sling away and stuff. How far is it going in?
I can go in 12 inch. I can push in with it. I guess we got a rope. We got a wheel there.
Got it? Now, I want you to tighten up on the yellow some. Go ahead, tighten up on it.
đi ra xỉu xỉa đi ô.
Yeah, just check. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Come on. You guys want to work hard, huh? You guys like to work too hard, man. Go ahead, Trevor. Tighten it up. Go ahead. Oh.
Okay, perfect. That's it.
That's it right there? So, Trevor, let off some? Oh, you're putting that on? All right, so hold on. Listen, hold on. Where are these going?
Okay.
No, you guys want to work too hard. Let's work easy. Where is it? How many of these are going under?
We're gonna go 4.
4. All right, so listen. I'm going to get him to lower it down. We'll stick this one up under here. Then we'll pick it up so we can take the pipe out.
Okay.
Trevor, cable down. Oh, fuck.
Okay.
All right, hold on. Trevor, cable up. Those are taller than the pipe.
Put one in the center and then
Hold on. We're good. Yeah. Cable up some more, Trevor. Or hold it there. You want to push it forward?
This is one thing.
We could go. Go down, Trevor. Keep going. All right, hold on. Pick it up. We can step on it. We step on it. Step on it. You guys need to eat more. No, you guys should put it under the bolt holes. You guys are bolting it down, right? You guys are bolting this down, right? Yeah, but so you should stick them like you see. Those are the bolt holes. Those are where it should sit on the support for the fuel tank. How many of these you got? Just 4 of them? You only have 4? We probably should put this one here and that one there. You good? Good. All right, Trevor, go down. I'm gonna swing it this way some, and I'll hold these, and then you can cable them up. Watch out for the underreach. All right, I want to cable it up. Yeah, I'll help you. I'll come home. Come on. I got it.